One of the first things people notice on your YouTube channel is the channel art. Designing your own channel art gives your channel a unique look and feel. A quick and easy solution to design your own channel art is using a free app called Canva. What's happening, everyone? I'm Sky Keith, and YouTube is the place to broadcast your message and brand your ideas. If you want to see how I start and build a YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Channel art is located at the top of your YouTube page. Use this header to brand your channel and give your channel a unique identity, look, and feel. Keep in mind, though, that channel art looks different on desktops, mobile devices, and TV displays. Most viewers are going to be watching from a mobile device. So when you're designing a channel art that looks good on a desktop, it may not look as good on a mobile device. So be sure to preview your channel art on different devices. The maximum upload size is 2560 by 1440. The safe area for logos and text is 1546 by 423. This means that the safe area is always visible regardless of your screen size. Larger images may get cropped on certain devices. So again, preview your devices. YouTube prefers a file size of 2 megabit or smaller. Let's check out Canva and see how easy it is to design channel art. One of the nice features of Canva is you can use the free photos or the free graphics that they've provided. Today we're going to use one of the graphic play buttons. Also, I'm going to use some of the uploads that I've uploaded. So I've uploaded some of my own images. I'm going to take one of these images and I'm going to click and drag it onto the canvas, the blank canvas. I'm going to resize this photo down to 423. Centered in my canvas. Bring in the background. Going to reposition this to the back so the photo's in the front of it. Going to change my background color to black. Going to bring in the logo, resize the logo, reposition the logo to about right here. Now I'm going to go into the free elements and I'm going to use that play button that I talked about. I'm going to change the color of the play button to a bright red. Reposition this a little bit. Now I'm going to download my banner. I'm going to download my banner as a PNG file. Preparing your design. The download is going to show up in the bottom left-hand corner. I'm going to take that YouTube banner. I'm going to upload that into YouTube.